Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with my midweek CVS haul. Thank you all for joining me once again. I uploaded a CVS deals video on Sunday, so you might want to check it out if you've not seen it, because I'm sure you will find more deals there. This is going to be an easy haul because I used only 2 paper coupons, and every other coupons I use you can find in our app. Stay with me and see what I grabbed. The first deal I'll be grabbing will be the spend $20 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1 per card. And I'll be picking up the Tide detergent on sale for $14.99, and we have a $3 digital coupon for it. The second item I'll be adding to this deal will be a Tide pod on sale for $5.49. The 2 of them are going to come up to $20.48. And for the Tide pod, we also have a $1.50 digital coupon that will attach to it. After the 2 coupons come off, it's going to bring it down to $15.98, and I'll get $5 back, making both of them $10.98 or $5.49 each. The next deal I'll be adding to my 10 off 60 will be the spend $15 get $5 back, and Cottonelle toilet paper 4 mega rolls are included in this. I'll be picking up 3, and the 3 of them are on sale for $5.99 each, and they will total me $17.97. I have no coupon for this, but if I'm doing this by itself, I have to pay the $17.97 and get $5 back, making all 3 items $12.97 or $4.32 each. The next deal will be on L'Oreal Cosmetics. It's on buy 2 get $5 back, and this is a limit of 1 per card. I'll be picking up 2 of the eyeshadows priced at $6.99 each, and the 2 of them are going to come up to $13.98. I'll be using the instant CRT we got last week. It's a $3 instant CRT. If your store accepts expired CRT, you can still use yours. And I have these 2 $2 coupon I printed from my email. They sent it to me. And also we received another $3 instant CRT on Sunday. After the 2 CRTs and the 2 coupons, it's going to come down to $3.98, and I'll get $5 back, making both of them free and a $1.02 money maker. The last deal I'll be adding to this transaction before I check out will be the Tresemme hair care. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. My store is priced at $7.29. I'll be picking up 2. One will be full price, and the second one will be $3.65. The 2 of them are going to come up to $10.94. We have a 4 off 2 Tresemme digital coupon. If you did not use yours last week, you can use it now. It's going to bring it down to $6.94. I'll pay that and get $4 back, making both items $2.94 or $1.49 each. I checked out, and this is my receipt, and these are all the items I picked up. All my coupons applied as expected. The 2 paper coupons and all the digital coupons came off as well. The 10 off 60, and I ended up using $35 extra care box. One of them adjusted down. I paid $0 out of pocket, and I got back $5 for doing the spend 20, another $5 for doing the spend 15, another $5 for buying 2 L'Oreal Cosmetics, and a $4 for buying 2 of the Tresemme hair care. This whole transaction ended up costing me just $15.86 or $1.76 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for your continuous support, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.